So I'm so excited. I just got in my latest shipment of Rebozos. If you don't know what that word means, you might want to look at some of my other videos and learn about Rebozos. Basically, it's a long scarf that we use in pregnancy and childbirth to help relieve discomfort in the mom, also to help baby to possibly get in a better position and to increase the chance of a better delivery and possibly even speed up birth a little bit. So there's a lot of different things that we do with the Rebozo. I just want to share with you my latest shipment. I love Rebozos, been using them for years, think they're amazing, and I just got in this box from women in Laos who weave them for me. And these are a little different because they are 10.5 feet long, but they are 100% cotton. And I want to share with you today. So excited. Yay! I've been waiting so long. I ordered them back in February, and it takes time for the women to weave them, and they actually didn't get finished until the end of March and beginning of April, and then they had to ship here, and it takes months. It's just a long, long process. So I have that to show them. Let's see what I got. Ooh, wow. Oh, look at this one. I love this one. This is my Arco de Iris. It's my rainbow. Look at those colors. So vibrant, so beautiful. I love it. Especially for a mom who's had a loss before and is pregnant again. We call her a rainbow mom with her rainbow baby. And this gives a lot of hope and encouragement to her. I just think it's beautiful. Love it, love it. It's very nice and thin, easy to hold in your hand. Also, though, it's very strong. Not a lot of stretch or any stretch really from the different directions, so I don't worry about losing the mom when I work with her. The colors last, the quality lasts. I've had my 9-foot one for about 5 years or so and had no issues or anything with it. I just needed more length. I ran into difficulties when I worked with my mom. If she had a pendulous belly, like her baby sitting way out here, or I just want to do some different moves of wrap it around her, pull it over her shoulders, around her back. I didn't have enough length. So I'm hoping these 10.5 footers turn out to be a good idea. And I actually had to ask the weavers to weave them specialty for me because they only usually weave 9 footers and I want to try 10.5 foot. Let's see what else we have. Oh, wow. This is a lovely one too. Look at this one. Wow. Isn't this amazing? Look at the purple. Love the colors in it, so vibrant. It's got a little bit of gold down here. Love the purple majesty of it all and the broad stripes. Just think it's just striking. Love that one. Let's see what else I have. I ordered 5 different ones. What's next? Ooh, this one is Latina. This one reminds me kind of earth because it has the mix of the green in it as well as the blue, so kind of the land, and it has the water, the oceans, and just beautiful tones, a little bit of olive color, and just fun. Look at that little orange in there, some white checker pattern, beautiful. There's a little up close for you. And then, oh, I love this one too. Boy, I love all of these. I can't resist. This is the sea is what it reminds me of. See how beautifully blue it is? I have the dark blue, I have the light blue, I have some black in there, some white, some other really, really fun colors. So I think you'll love this one. Blue is very calming and many women love that color. Oh, and let's see what my last one is here. Ooh, this is my fun one. I call this one chicle. It reminds me of bubble gum. You know the containers of bubble gum that are all those colors mixed in it. You put your quarter in and you get it out, a handful of colors. I love that one. And so that's what this one reminds me of. Just the party has a little bit of lime green in it. So kind of pinky purple, and this burgundy and orange and black and white, and a little bit of yellow. The purple, so many fun colors in this. So it's very bright and cheery, and to me it's very girly. I love these kind of colors and tones to have them. Oh man, I'm so excited, so excited. 10.5 foot, cannot wait to share these with all the moms and birth workers out there that would love to have them. I guess I'll show them one more time close to the camera so you can see it a little better. So there's the rainbow one, or Arco de Iris. And you can find all of these on my website at blissfulbirthingtn.com. There's a purple one. See the purple one? Dun, dun, dun. Here's La Tierra, reminds me of the earth. There it is. Beautiful colors, see that? Well woven. And then we have the one that reminds me of the sea. See those colors? Love, love, love the tones, the richness. I've not had any of mine fade all the years that I've had them. They've stayed true to this coloration. They have not had holes in them. They don't stretch. They wear well. They wear long. I can wash them in the washer because they are 100% cotton. I would not recommend putting them in bleach or something like that. I have a different Rebozo for that. And so that's what's different about these. These are not dyed to match the stripes. It is actually dyed material, then woven. So it's a 100% hand woven material. And so each color is individually dyed and then they're woven together to make these stripes. So that's one reason the color lasts really well and you get such beautiful variations. It's nice and thin. I'm just so grateful for these women in Laos that they would weave these for us to be able to use in birth. And I'm hopeful that the 10.5 foot will be exactly the size I want and that my quest for a good Rebozo is over. But it might not be. I'm game to try these and kind of see what happens. If you would like to purchase them, they're on my website at blissfulbirthingtn.com. They're $70 a piece and I can ship them. If you're local to Nashville, I can actually deliver them. It's kind of whatever you would like. So many fun colors to choose from and to work with, and hopefully this will be more in line with what you need as a birth worker to support your moms and to tie those double hip squeezes, to do the abdominal lift and tucks, all the different moves that we do as a doula to help our parents have relief and comfort in pregnancy and in birth and even in postpartum. So excited to have these. Just want to share with you for a moment. If you get a chance, check it out, go to my website, see if any of these match what you would like to use, and purchase one today. Thanks for visiting. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So glad that you're here today. Hope you enjoyed the video. There are lots of other videos you can watch on all kinds of different topics. We hope you check it out. And if you're interested in learning more, please visit our website at blissfulbirthingtennessee.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.